So you'll have to excuse me. It is... Oh, I want you to see this. It's that many. Wait, that's not... It's 3 o'clock in the morning. And as of right now, dealing with some very unnecessary problems. Highly unnecessary problems. But come on, let's take a trip up to the front. I'll show you what I'm dealing with. Tap. Wow.
What?
It's 3 o'clock in the morning. This, we don't have to do this at 3. We'll cut some holes to make it fit, because this is the current problem we're running into. Motherboards, USB slots didn't want to work, didn't want to register any USBs at all. So, brother was nice enough to say, here, use this one. This is his computer. Yeah, there you go. That fucked me up for a second there. Pardon me. Now we're trying to figure out what can we do with this radiator, because it's not looking like it's going to fit. I want it to fit. I really do. I really want it to fit. She wants it to fit. Now guys, sorry about that. The current problem is, after me sitting up here for like an hour trying to really think about what I can do, her case does not fit the radiator from this all-in-one. So we're thinking about taking the motherboard out, putting it in this case, but we don't have the stock CPU cooling fan or the brackets for it. So yeah, I'm thinking about just gutting my PC that's in, on my desk now, putting it in hers. That way she'll have her computer working in her case, because that's what she wants. She wants to be able to have her computer in her case. So I think I'm about to bring up my computer. Can't believe I'm saying this. Gut it. Oh.
I've never had pains like this before.
Gut it and put it in here. So when she wakes up in the morning, she will have her computer in there, turning on and working. So time for some fun. So I figured before I go ahead and take everything out of this case and put everything from this case in here, I have to go ahead and give a little quick video of the inside of it, because this one is mine. The 8-core AMD, and then I gave her my older 4300, and I forgot what processor is in here, but it's gonna be a big upgrade for everybody. Let's begin. Okay, cool. It is now 5:36 in the morning. I guess I'm done wiring up her computer. I just need to put the GPU in there. I think I'm going to put the 760 in there because she had the 950 at first. So I'm gonna, it's a For the Win edition 760. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in there and find a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and try to boot it and see what happens. Wish me luck. Okay, cool. So after getting that installed, it is now, oh my god, my flashlight is on. It is now 6 o'clock. I'm gonna get Windows on her computer, get this computer back on her desk, hooked up and ready to be turned on for when she wakes up in the morning. Am I gonna say I did a thing at all? No, she's just gonna have to find out. So hope she's happy with the 8300, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and the 760. Hey, ain't nobody in here. So finally installing Windows. Yeah, other computer's working. This one is going to be working soon. I'm going to go put it on the desk so she wakes up and everything's done. And my god, I don't, this right here, this motherboard, I guess we're going to send it back in. I need to get my CPU off of there, and honestly I don't know what I'm going to do with it. CPU and a random 8 gigabyte stick of RAM. So yeah, I'll figure something out. I'll probably do like a little, actually, you know what, if I just get another motherboard, I could just throw this back in the white case, and I could just have like a guest computer for anybody. So that might be happening with that CPU and RAM. Yeah, I'll record again when this Windows is finally done installing, so bear with me. Okay, let's see, trying to see if I'm in focus to the best of the camera's ability. Okay, cool. Well, Windows is finally installed on Tab's computer, and I just put it back on the desk. I'm gonna wait and see how long it takes her to turn it on, or to attempt to turn it on, and I won't say a word. Not a word. But for now, I need to go install all the Adobe products I need to edit this video on that computer. So I don't know when I'm going to sleep. I need some sleep, but there's work to be done. So thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a like. If you didn't, thumbs down, leave a comment, share, talk to your friends about it. Yeah, bye bye.